Socket Speaker real-life application scenarios. After switch it on, connected to Bluetooth, you can enjoy your music right away. Coming next, we will demonstrate some Socket Speakers application in the daily life for your reference. Dressing up for a date, playing some romantic music to set a good mood. Light music along with a hot shower helps you relax and let go of the stress after a weary day. With some gentle background music, it helps you to study and learn more efficiently. Wanting to sit on the sofa in the days during weekend, relax and zone out a bit? Let the music accompany you in your space. After this video, if you are interested in this product, please feel free to contact us for more details. We'll be glad to serve you. So, see you soon.